How's it, guys? I just wanted to answer someone's question there earlier on the groups and stuff about the sifting system that I'm using. This is just all reclaimed. Everything here is reclaimed on that timber. That's an old fire guard for an indoor stove that we have in Ireland. So basically, today I was harvesting that half of this bin, and so basically I scooped out layers by layers. It was nice and sunny, and put the layer in there, basically sift it like that. All the castings fall into the bottom of into the tubs, and that then I lift that up, flip it upside down into this one here, where all the top, all the rough bits that stay behind. There's some bits still left there. So all of them went back into there, and I just had them, when that got full, I filled that up twice, and I basically just put them inside these black tubs I had. So then what I did is, all that stuff that had tons of cocoons in it, I just put them back in here, into the side that I've emptied. And I fed them today because I saw that it was nice and warm and there was a lot of activity. So I just gave them a little bit of a dusting of the worm chow, just to chow up, because there were loads of worms in there as well. And then obviously all the ones that I collected out of as I was sifting, they also got dumped in there. About 2 weeks ago, I filled this half of the tub. It was about 2 weeks ago. I filled this half of the tub with it was just wood chips and a bit of volcanic rock dust and feed. And as you can see, I just lifted a bit like that. Within 2 weeks, they're all over the place, nice and big. So they've all kind of migrated themselves, horizontally into this side of the bin, and then this side of the bin will be working. And for all the castings that I've harvested out that, in the picture you saw with one of the tubs, which are these black ones here, they're 50 litres. Sorry, the tunnel looks a bit of a mess because it was raining on and off today as well, and the kids had an absolute blast in the tunnel. Anyway, these tubs, they're the ones with the harvested castings in. Obviously they're getting just covered up just so the sun doesn't penetrate. The light isn't that great now because it's starting to get dark, but that is the fluffiest castings you can see, and there is quite a lot of cocoons that have fallen through. And basically what I'm doing, a lot of them are, you can say, ripe before they start hatching. A lot of them are turning very brown, so it's only a few more days. So once they've hatched, underneath them is nearly finished. I'd say about 80% finished castings, basically, on this half of the farm. So and there's still a lot of activity of worms underneath there because of bits of some foliage and stuff, leaf and stuff that is still in there, and a bit of hard carbons. But that side there, that's the biggest feeding zone. The majority of the worms are there. So I'm hoping these ones will hatch, go down through the holes that you've seen on the picture underneath the tubs that I've drilled through. And for those that haven't seen the pictures, the entire bottom of the tub is drilled full of holes, and it's got air holes all the way around the edges as well, just to maximize airflow into that. So yeah, I'm hoping, and then I'll leave it like that for about 2 weeks, and from there on then it'll get used. So yeah, I hope that answers a lot of questions, and hope you guys have a good day. Bye bye.